Imagine if you had convenient, intuitive access to your machine electronic data. If you could quickly and easily find the information you need to improve equipment reliability, reduce unplanned downtime, and prevent lost productivity and costly machine repairs. What if you could put the right data in the right hands at the right time? With CAT Minestar Health Equipment Insights, you can. Health Equipment Insights is an internet-accessible data visualization and reporting tool that gives you access to your machine electronic data from any web-enabled device. When combined with CAT Inspect, CAT SOS, or third-party fluid sampling providers, it will also visualize fluid sample and inspection results. Health Equipment Insights' intuitive, easy-to-use interface enables users to set up customized data dashboards using drag-and-drop widgets. This customization allows different teams within your organization to review the same data in different ways. Users can select the assets and level of detail they need with the ability to look at broad numbers for an entire fleet or an individual machine. We have recently transitioned to a new platform that provides a better user experience, increased reliability, faster response times, and access to more data than ever before. It includes a built-in map that provides access to machine location, event location, service meter hours, and cycle time data in segments. Dashboards can be saved and modified at any time, allowing your teams to save time and to be more efficient instead of recreating dashboards. These dashboards are also dynamic, refreshing as soon as new data is made available. The data in Health Equipment Insights refreshes at set intervals, so you can be sure that you're working with the latest numbers. Health Equipment Insights also enables you to specify your own unique target limits, so you can quickly determine out-of-compliance parameters and identify appropriate corrective actions. Our new time series function and data logger widgets give users a flexible, easy-to-use interface for accessing and analyzing large amounts of data from all available machine channels, with customizable limits to help quickly identify out-of-compliance parameters. Equipment Insights gives you access to up to 15 months of data loggers and trends, allowing for more complete analysis that drives more informed decisions. The new cumulative and utilization widgets offer faster, cleaner access to utilization data, and integration with CAT Foresight for condition monitoring streamlines communication between you, Caterpillar, and your CAT dealer for improved response times. With Health Equipment Insights, there is no need to download data and send it out in a separate email. The application provides a built-in functionality for automatic distribution of reports and data via email at an interval of your choice. If needed, data can also be exported in PDF or Excel formats. Your CAT dealer can even use Health Equipment Insights to send recommendations directly to you, including information about how high a priority the issue is, as well as relevant details and clickable links to supporting information that can help you make the best decision. Health Equipment Insights empowers your teams to efficiently access, view, and analyze machine data so you can improve your equipment's performance. And we're always upgrading it with new features and functions to help you get the most out of your investment. Your equipment is constantly producing data. CAT Minestar Health Equipment Insights gives you the tools to go beyond gathering that data and turn insights into action.